We're on our way to Sema. It's awesome. It's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so we just finished up with Vegas. Didn't talk very much because I just want to show you guys some highlights, but we got to meet up with some customers. We got to meet some new individuals. We got to meet with some other companies, so it's pretty exciting. But we're actually heading to Nascar now, so it'll be fun. Have to stay tuned. Alright guys, we just landed in Phoenix and there's a race going on right now. In front of all these people. Look, it's lap 2, go. Lap 2. What are they doing, dude?
Being crazy.
Can you beat the reigning champ? You're the reigning champ. She's going for your belt. Uh-oh. Time to harness your football moves, babe. Oh. She's got you. Cheating. So next is going to be NASCAR. We do NASCAR tomorrow. I will show you a little bit of that action. Should be pretty cool. See you soon. What's up, guys? We just got to NASCAR and it's the championships. Is that your guy? What's his name?
Danny Hamlin.
Danny Hamlin.
See, it's quite done like this. 11.
Dean Martin Truex.
Martin Truex.
There's one over here too.
A ton of people here, thousands of people. This will be the first NASCAR event I've ever been to at the Phoenix Raceway here. It's a championship race too, which is pretty cool. I don't really have a personal following, so I just like motorsports, as everyone knows. There's the finish line right there.
Hey girl, what's your name? It's so loud here I can't hear a thing. But I sure do like your style. And I see you can rock it on.
This, here at Phoenix Raceway, the championship race for the NASCAR Cup Series. Chase Elliott and Kyle Larson on the front row. Denny Hamlin will roll up on the outside of row number 3. Martin Truex Jr. in 12. Who is it going to be taking on the 2021 title? We're about to find out. Green flag is in the air.
Hours later.
At the championship, Kyle Larson did everything right this year. Was going to try to close out the championship. His pit crew did a great job getting him out front late in the race on pit road on the money stop on pit road. And Kyle Larson is your 2021 Cup Series champion. His first win at Phoenix and his first NASCAR Cup Series championship.
Alright guys, we're finally heading home from Phoenix. We got delayed here in El Paso a little bit, but then it popped back to non-delayed, and then it went back to delayed and not delayed. So hopefully we make it out tonight, but it was a good trip overall. We got to do some cool things. We got to pit stop in Phoenix to see family, rest a little bit there, and now we're heading back to Las Cruces. So my truck should be a PPF when we're back, so that is very, very exciting. It's gonna be protected. Monarch Motorsports, thank you, Marcos. Yeah, we're looking to get home here in the next hour or so. All right, so we just showed up to Monarch Motorsports here in El Paso. We got done with our Sema trip, we got done with our Phoenix trip, and now this is the finale here. We've made some changes to the Raptor, and I'm very, very excited. And he just showed up. Appreciate it.
It's a big win.
This is Marcos, Monarch Motorsports. A very special occasion. He came here after hours for us. We're gonna take a look at the Raptor now. No way, dude.